This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire the elusive Endo O2 character in Fredbear's Mega Roleplay. This unique animatronic is a highly sought-after secret character, and its acquisition involves a series of intricate steps. You will need to navigate the game world, solve puzzles, and overcome challenges to add this special character to your collection. Let's dive into the details of this exciting quest. Your journey to Endo O2 begins by entering the pizzeria and making your way to the parts and service room. Here, you'll find an employee's only door that requires a 4-digit code. To uncover this code, head to Party Room 1. Observe the flickering lights. They act like Morse code, with each flash representing a number and pauses separating them. This code is unique to each server, so pay close attention. Once you've successfully entered the code, interact with the pile of discarded Endo parts behind the arcade cabinets. This action will teleport you to the reclaimed basement, where the real challenge begins. Your goal is to locate and flip 3 distinct levers. Be warned, an animatronic will actively pursue you. Keep an eye out for red lights, as these illuminate the positions of the levers you still need to activate. After successfully activating all 3 levers in the reclaimed basement, a new door will open, signaling your progress. Head through this door to reach the final stage of your quest. There, you will find the ultimate prize, the Endo O2 character. Interact with it to claim your reward and officially add this secret animatronic to your collection. Congratulations, you've earned the exclusive Endo O2 badge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.